Although PriMus retains the unimitable characteristics of simplicity and intuitiveness guaranteed by the "what you see is what you get" philosophy, it now has a new graphic user interface that replaces the menus, the toolbar, with one simple and immediate mechanism, the ribbon. The new interface is designed to help users improve productivity with PriMus, allowing the user to be able to easily find the right features for the various activities and therefore be more efficient. The program interface is shaped to the way we think and work. We don't have a grid to understand, but we simply work directly on the document. The very same document that we are used to having in our hands on a sheet of paper, and that is printed with great operational directness. The currently active editor is the Measurements editor, in which the Bill of Quantities view is active, containing the measurement items with all of the relevant data. Here we have the entry order number, the rate code, the item description, the various measurements with descriptions, total quantities, unit rates, and total amounts for each of these items, and of course the Bill of Quantities total here at the bottom. By selecting the Price List tab, you can access the corresponding editor in which the price list view is active. The display in this view also corresponds exactly to what you will get on paper. The view shows the rate code, item description, unit of measurement, and the unit rate. There is also a summary column which shows the quantities and total amounts for each price list item used in the Bill of Quantities document. Each editor is composed of one or more views that, according to the document type, price list, Bill of Quantities, or construction cost management, arranges and displays the data as it will be printed. In fact, by pressing the Select View button, a different view can be chosen among those available. By selecting the General Data tab, you can access the corresponding editor where you can find the data bar to the left containing the buttons, which are Project, Accounting, Chapters and Categories, Forms, and Configuration, each of which displays options to access the management pages, General Data, or the Financial Table. Selecting the Print Manager tab, this accesses the corresponding window where all features are available to freely customize each document.